Medfix, your gate from box. First, take the bottom part of the gate frame. Insert the side posts into it. Insert the plastic spacers into the side posts. Then place the slat profile. Repeat this process until all are used. Insert the top part of the gate frame. Screw in the screws at the top and bottom of side posts. Insert the lock into the gate and secure it with screws. Place the caps on the screws and side posts. Your gate is ready. Position the posts 980 millimeters apart, ensuring the height of the posts is 1,500 millimeters. They need to be set in concrete with a concrete height of 800 millimeters, posts embedded to a depth of 600 millimeters, and a concrete width of 500 millimeters. Attach the hinge to the post, the element responsible for opening and closing the gate. Mount the gate onto the hinges. Level it. Attach the gate latch. Medfix Fence offers palisade steel fencing system with various widths and slat spacings. Medfix, your home, your style, your fence.